Benefits of healthy diet. Start your day with a healthy diet. It's not just a meal, but a lifestyle. It fuels your body and mind with essential nutrients. Eating healthy reduces the risk of chronic diseases. It's a natural shield against diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. A balanced diet keeps your weight in check. It's not about starving, but feeding your body the right food. It improves brain health. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can enhance memory and cognitive functions. Adopt a healthy diet. It's a commitment to a happier, healthier, and longer life. A balanced diet can contribute to better sleep patterns, ensuring you wake up refreshed and alert.